Little hands don't hold a gun, they just want to laugh and run. Chase the sun and blow a kiss, build a world that's full of bliss. Grown-ups talk and make big rules, while we sit in quiet schools. They may shout and draw a line, but we just want the stars to shine. Why must soldiers march with fear when hugs and songs are always near? Why must cities fall apart when kids just paint with loving hearts? Give us books and give us chalk, let us dance and let us talk. Not with bombs but words that heal, not with fear but love we feel. So listen close and hear our song. Let's make peace where we belong, a world where all can safely play. Let's hold hands and find that way. Why must soldiers march with fear when hugs and songs are always near? Why must cities fall apart when kids just paint with loving hearts? Why must soldiers march with fear when hugs and songs are always near? Why must cities fall apart when kids
Like,
just
comment,
paint
and
with
subscribe.
loving hearts?